Let's create a private server in Roblox Mobile. Now, if you're on an iPhone or an Android, you can open up the Roblox app. The first thing we need to do is find a game that you wanted to create a private server for. So I can go through here and find one that I love. Let's say this Steal a Brainrot. Now, if I wanted to create my own private server on here, I need to go to this games page. Keep in mind, some private servers do cost Robux and some are free, so you'll just have to go around and find a free one if you don't have any Robux. Now on here, all you need to do is scroll down. You'll be able to see the votes and the store, the content maturity. And if you scroll down to the very bottom, you'll see the socials like X, YouTube, etc. And right above that is your servers. Just tap on this. And if you already have a server for this game, it will pop up. But if you don't already, let's create one. Let's just tap on create a private server. And here it does say this server costs 79 Robux per month. So you need Robux to be able to buy this. And then on here, we can just name this whatever we want. So just type in a server name for your server and then just hit the subscribe button. Now you can choose to customize it if you wanted to, but let's hit not now and I'll show you what it looks like. Here is that server that I just configured. I can tap on this. I can choose to cancel it or delete it. I can choose to configure it, or I can just tap on join if I want to start playing that game and immediately invite other friends to join my server as well.